Hello, quick little disclaimer before we start the video. This is future Sylvia. When I filmed all this footage, it was in early February and I'm just getting it out now, you know. She sucks at vlogging, but she's getting better. I'm still learning and I did really want you guys to see this footage. It was from multiple events and kind of a couple weeks all combined into one. Enjoy the video. It's from early February, but it's fine. You still want to see it. I know you do. Watch it all. Thank you. Hey guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a vlog over multiple days. I am in New York. Check this out. I got a really crazy view. It's beautiful. I'm here because I have a meet and greet with Clinique at their pop-up store to meet all you guys, so I can't wait. I'm really excited. I woke up feeling not so good though, like my stomach really hurts and I kind of feel like I'm gonna throw up. Could be nerves or it could be something I ate. I don't really know yet, but it kind of sucks. I feel really shitty. Hopefully I feel better after I get ready. But anyways, I'm waiting on hair and makeup to come. It's like super early. I just wanted professional hair and makeup just so I, you know, could just be lazy in the morning, be calm, not have to worry about getting ready and running around and rushing. They should be here any minute and I'm gonna get snatched, look good for you guys. And then after the meet and greet, I'm out of here. Ooh, I think hair and makeup's here. But yeah, today's gonna be a good day. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Let's do it.
Yeah. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always.
So hair and makeup is done. I'm still feeling super crappy. Like I threw up. My stomach is hurting so badly, but nothing can ruin this day. I'm so excited to meet you guys. I'm running late, so I'm rushing. Gotta go.
We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies.
You guys, I just had my meet and greet. It was so amazing. I loved meeting you guys. I didn't get lots of footage during it because I was so nervous and I was just busy meeting you guys and talking to you guys and hanging out. Huge thank you to everyone that came out. It was amazing, and a huge thank you to Clinique for having us.
Several days later.
Hey guys, me again. So tonight is a very special night. Valentine's Day is around the corner. It's like 2 days away, but that's okay. We're celebrating tonight. I've planned a Galentines dinner because you know I ain't got no Valentine's Day plans. So I had to get all my girls together and do this dinner tonight. But what's special about it is it's actually gonna be a charity dinner. So I've asked all the girls to bring any extra makeup products or hygiene products that they might have. You guys know that recently I uploaded a video on my channel with my mom where we talked about the time my family spent in a women's shelter.
The whole family was against divorce. I met a counselor who gave me a phone number for a women's shelter and encouraged me that there are places I can turn to for help and support, and I don't have to stay in a toxic marriage.
My mom has just always been so supportive of me and my passion for makeup. So I've decided this year that I want to get more involved and use my platform to raise awareness of women's shelters and the organizations that help support them, like Project Beauty Share. So I found Project Beauty Share. It's this organization that actually collects personal hygiene, cosmetics, and beauty products and distributes them through nonprofit organizations who serve women and families overcoming abuse, addiction, homelessness, poverty, all that, you know, and don't have access to products like this. And I think we all can agree that hygiene products, beauty products, all this stuff really do have an impact on a woman's self-esteem, so it's so important. So I have a ton of stuff to donate and a lot of the girls are going to be bringing stuff to dinner. You guys too can help to make a difference. I'll leave all the information in the description on the places that you can donate through Project Beauty Share if you would like to do so. So I'm excited for this dinner. I think Daisy just got here and we're running late, so we're gonna head on over to the dinner.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead.
Thank you guys for coming to my Galentines dinner. It's an extra special night because it's not only for us hanging out and having a good time together, but it's for charity. So I really appreciate you guys bringing your makeup and all the extra products for Project Beauty Share. Thanks guys for coming. I love you. Cheers. Yeah.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
So dinner was a huge success. It was a lot of fun. A huge thank you to all the girls that came out and showed some support. We actually collected a lot of items, so I'm really happy about that. So my bathroom is super full until we can ship it out, but check this out. My entire shower is filled with buckets of items. Heck yeah. So I'm definitely happy about all that, and I want to do more of these dinners and more of these events to just continue working with Project Beauty Share and making it a thing in the beauty community, because we always have so much extra makeup, so I really think that this is a great initiative. Also, a few weeks ago I did a video with my mom where I announced that all of the money made from the video would also be donated to Project Beauty Share. So the total amount for that video is $1,724.89. Woohoo! That's all you guys. So thank you for watching that video and raising that money. Today is Valentine's Day, and I got a little something for my mama and my bro who are visiting me. I wanted to spoil them and just celebrate Valentine's Day, you know. So I'm gonna go get them and we'll open up the gifts. So Adam's still sleeping. We're gonna wake him up and tell him about his gifts. Adam!
Hi.
Were you awake that whole time?
Kind of.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I was half awake.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day! People stay awake when they wake up. They just are
Lay
tired
there?
and they just lay there and stare at the wall.
Well,
That's
guess what?
exactly what I did for like the past hour.
Really?
I know.
I'm jealous. Guess what?
What?
I have a gift for you for Valentine's. Yeah. Let's go open it. You're the last one to wake up, sleepyhead. Adam,
One boy, two
Mom.
boys, 3 boys, one girl.
open your presents. Adam can go first. Adam, you have 2.
Comment down below if you like it.
You're not even looking.
Teddy bear?
Okay, can you look, please?
Harry. Mama!
Is he soft?
Isn't he so soft?
He's so soft.
Oh no, not more bullets.
Adam's obsessed with Nerf guns. So I got you a miniature handheld one that you can just keep here when you come visit. Those are Skittles.
Oh.
More candy.
Little paw. Reese's. I love these. Crayons. Yeah, boy.
Coloring book in there.
Oh, yay. Heart-shaped candies. They say something on it. Send nudes.
Whoa! My bad. Sorry, Mom. Didn't realize.
I can buy more Gucci.
Yeah, some money. There you go. Put that in your piggy bank.
That was awesome.
Next up. What? More?
Buy me from the Gucci store for $1 million. What is it?
Why do you keep not looking?
It is! Let's go! I'm gonna wear this under my jersey.
You better not wear that to your basketball game.
I will.
It's got a cool wolf on it.
Wolf!
Here you go, my beautiful mother.
Oh, you just can't stop spoiling me, can you? I get nervous reading on camera. Oh my goodness.
You did not.
They're gorgeous.
Aw, just like
Sylvia. These are so expensive.
Love you.
Hope you like them. The end. But that's all for this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and watch these other videos of mine if you haven't seen them yet. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Peace.
Bye.